Party chief and former Chief Minister of Telangana, KCR, has arrived to appear before the PC Ghosh Commission in connection with the alleged irregularities in the Kaleshwaram project. Recently, remember, the BRS MLA and the former Irrigation Minister Harish Rao had appeared before the Ghosh Commission. BJP MP Etla Rajender, who previously served as the Finance Minister under the BRS government, has also appeared before the commission.
अगर केसीआर साहब ने जो काम किया, केसीआर जी ने जो काम किया पिछले 10 सालों में तेलंगाना में, शायद ही हिंदुस्तान के इतिहास में आजादी के बाद आज तक कोई राज्य में ऐसा काम नहीं हुआ। 2014 में तेलंगाना में जो हाल था एग्रीकल्चर का और आज जो हाल है एग्रीकल्चर का, चाहे वो पानी की बात हो, पानी की सहूलत की बात हो, चाहे वो बिजली की बात हो, चाहे वो रैतु बंधु जैसे एक रेवोल्यूशनरी स्कीम की बात हो, इतिहास में इससे पहले आजाद हिंदुस्तान में आज तक किसी मुख्यमंत्री ने इस कदर काम नहीं किया।
My colleague Shamit gets us the latest in this. Shamit, KCR appearing before the commission, obviously raising a lot of concern as far as this Kaleshwaram project is concerned. There were alleged construction lapses and financial irregularities in this case. There's also a political war that's brewing while KCR appears before the commission. What's the latest and what's the detail that you have of today?
See, well, it was very much clear that when it comes to the Kaleshwaram, there was lots of allegations. Even Prime Minister Modi, when he campaigned in Telangana, even he raised allegations. And when it comes to the Congress party, Rahul Gandhi, and also even top leaders, including Revanth Reddy, they have made several allegations and even stated that hundreds of thousands of crores have been looted when it comes to the Kaleshwaram project. So this was the main allegation came in, and later when one of the pillar sunk in the Medigadda project, which is the part of Kaleshwaram project, even then lots of allegations were put in against the previous BRS regime, and also mainly KCR, because he was the one who sanctioned the project, who was the we can clearly say that who is the mastermind of the project, we can say. And later a commission was set up, Judicial Commission, PC Ghosh Commission was set up by the Congress government after coming to power. And recently, Etla Rajender, who was the then Financial Minister, he was questioned. And later, Harish Rao, he served as an Irrigation Minister and also MLA. Right now, he's an MLA in the BRS party. He was questioned by the commission. And finally, KCR was actually summoned on the 5th of this month. But later, what happened is he has written to the commission that he can't, appear before the commission on the 5th, but he has, accepted that he'll be coming today before the commission. And today he has appeared before the commission, and very soon even he will be asked about all the questions which were asked to the Etla Rajender, which were asked to the, Harish Rao, and also even, when it comes to the, in connection with the Kaleshwaram project. So we need to wait and see what will commission decide. But yes, this is the beginning of the inquiry, and now they are, questioning all the people related to the Kaleshwaram project and who implemented the Kaleshwaram project. And also even Etla Rajender was seen saying that his role was not there. He was there. He was the financial minister at that time, and his work was just to sanction the bills. And when it comes to the former irrigation minister, he stated that there was nothing there at that time, and and even Harish Rao stated that
Right,
this is
Shamit.
nothing but targeting the BRS leaders and also targeting the KCR is what he has stated.
Shamit, what's also interesting is, as we speak, of course, there are protests that are underway. But right ahead of KCR appearing before this commission, you had a meeting between KCR and Harish Rao about the kind of, questions and investigation that were asked as far as Harish Rao's appearance is concerned. In that meeting, there was also Vasant Reddy, Vemula Reddy, who was attending, and that is perhaps, given more fodder for a lot of political deliberations that are underway before KCR went into this commission for appearance. Shamit, are you able to hear me?
Well, I can hear you now. Can you please just repeat the question?
Shamit, I was saying at the fact that Vemula Prashant Reddy was also part of a meeting that happened between Harish Rao and KCR right ahead of KCR's appearance before the commission has also given a lot of fodder to the kind of deliberations that took place within the BRS when KCR was appearing before this commission today.
Well, that's true. See, before KCR has appeared before the commission, even meeting was internally held between KTR, also even other big leaders, Thalsanis University residents, and even other leaders were present. And even before KCR had appeared, even at his farmhouse, because he stays in his farmhouse in the Erevalli, so that is just 1.5 hours away from the Hyderabad city. Even there, a meeting taken place, and Vemula Prashant Reddy, Santosh Rao, and also others. Even Kavita was present there. And after that meeting, KCR has come down, and then later he started from there to appear before the commission. And now he has appeared before the commission.
Come back to you. We're also getting a reaction from KTR. Let's listen in to what he said.
अगर केसीआर साहब ने जो काम किया, केसीआर जी ने जो काम किया पिछले 10 सालों में तेलंगाना में, शायद ही हिंदुस्तान के इतिहास में आजादी के बाद आज तक कोई राज्य में ऐसा काम नहीं हुआ। 2014 में तेलंगाना में जो हाल था एग्रीकल्चर का और आज जो हाल है एग्रीकल्चर का, चाहे वो पानी की बात हो, पानी की सहूलत की बात हो, चाहे वो बिजली की बात हो, चाहे वो रैतु बंधु जैसे एक रेवोल्यूशनरी स्कीम की बात हो, इतिहास में इससे पहले आजाद हिंदुस्तान में आज तक किसी मुख्यमंत्री ने इस कदर काम नहीं किया।
All right, so that was of course KTR. Shamit, thanks very much for joining us, getting us those